Air-Doh 60 bags of colored, air-dry, ultralight, non-toxic modeling clay in a bucket including accessories, tools, tutorial videos, educational, DIY, kids gifts, art craft set for boys and girls. Air-Doh is a super lightweight, unscented, non-toxic, gluten-free modeling compound that stimulates creativity and play-based learning for ages 3+. Expand your kids' creativity at home. Indoor activities/DIY. Air-Doh can help kids amplify their critical thinking ability, confidence, and educational development. Air-Doh offers a fun and creative alternative to electronic entertainment. Non-toxic, complies with ASTM D4236 and EN 71 standards. 100% safe, mess-free and easy to clean up, won't stick to fabric or carpet. Sago Brothers Air Dry Clay 24 colors, Kids Toys Modeling Clay for Kids, 3-year-old girl gifts No Bake No Mess Molding Clay Kit, Model Magic Clay Christmas Birthday Gifts for kids girls boys age 3 to 12. Develops creativity. Sago Brothers Air Dry Clay Kids Gifts can help kids enhance their logical thinking ability, confidence, and sensory development. Keeping kids obsessing with modeling clay and staying away from electronics. 24 colors of clay is a good choice for kids' toys, Christmas gifts for kids, arts and crafts for kids. Blue Book 72 pages tutorial idea book, simple and easy steps for kids. Including over 50 kinds of common shapes, foods, and animals that benefit for color recognition, mixing and matching, as well as learning how to paint. Tutorials allow kids to start from imitation until they can create their own work independently. Popular air dry clay as gifts for girls, crafts for girls, boys' toys.